In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize your bookmarks. Google Chrome Tutorial 2021. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is where all of your saved bookmarks can be managed, organized, and grouped into folders, so they are easier to find later. Once Chrome is open, locate the bookmark that you want to organize. Take a moment to find the specific saved page that you would like to place into a folder. Organizing bookmarks into folders is a simple way to keep related websites together. For example, you might want one folder for work, another for school, and another for personal browsing. After you have found the bookmark, right-click on it. This will open a small menu with options related to that bookmark. In that menu, click Add Folder. This lets you create a new folder directly from the Bookmarks area, so you can begin grouping your saved pages in a more organized way. When you create folders, try to give them clear and useful names. A simple name that matches the type of websites you save will make it much easier to stay organized later. If you are organizing several bookmarks, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just locate the bookmark, right-click it, and choose the option to add a folder where needed. That covers everything you need to know.